Today we're looking at Leetcode 3300, minimum element after replacement with digit sum. We are given an array of numbers. For every number, we replace it with the sum of its digits. And after all transformations, we return the minimum value. So the main task here is figuring out how to compute the digit sum efficiently. And the standard way is digit extraction. We repeatedly take the last digit, add it into a running sum, remove that digit from the number, and continue until the number becomes 0. And once we know how to compute digit sums, we simply keep track of the minimum value while scanning the array. Now let's walk through the example. We start with 999, 19, 199. Initially, our minimum value is infinity. Now we process index 0. The number is 999. Its digit sum becomes 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is 27. So our minimum becomes 27. Now we move to index 1. The number is 19. Its digit sum becomes 1 plus 9, which is 10. 10 is smaller than 27, so we update the minimum to 10. Now we process index 2. The number is 199. Its digit sum becomes 1 plus 9 plus 9, which is 19. 19 is not smaller than 10, so the minimum stays 10. And after processing all elements, we return 10. Now once the walkthrough is clear, the code becomes very natural. We first create a variable that stores the best minimum answer found so far. Then we scan the array one number at a time. For every number, we create another variable that will build the digit sum for the current element. Then we start a small loop that keeps running while the number still has digits left inside it. Inside that loop, we extract the current last digit and immediately add it into our running digit sum. Then we shrink the number by removing the digit we just processed. So after every iteration, the number becomes smaller and smaller until eventually nothing is left. At that point, we have fully computed the digit sum for that element. Then we compare that value against our minimum answer. If the new digit sum is smaller, we update the answer immediately. And then we continue to the next number and repeat the exact same process. So the whole solution is really just process one number, compute its digit sum, update the minimum, and move forward. Time complexity is linear over the array, with a very small digit processing loop for each number. And space complexity is constant because we only use a few variables. Anyway, that's the full idea for Leetcode 3300. If this helped, make sure to subscribe so more problem explanations keep showing up while you practice. And if you want another problem explained in this style, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace out.